What's going on out there today? How y'all doing? I'm going to be working on the Audi A6. So I'm going to be changing out the rotors on this car. In order to do that, you got to take the wheel off, take the brakes off, take the caliper off just to get to the rotors. I'm going to show you how I did it. I have the wheel off. I'm going to take this clip off next. I'm going to be putting the screwdriver in here in this corner and just pry it back to loosen the brakes. Loosen it. Once I get it loosened, this should be good. All right, so I'm gonna put this in here and just pull back on it. Just pry on it just to get it. It's already depressed already. So I just depressed the piston inside of it. So now what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna just pull this off. And this, it should be careful because it can snap you and hit you in your face. So I'm gonna find a nice spot to depress it. It's kind of hard to depress. 1 second. Push it forward. I'm just gonna use this and just pull it out. Oh, that's not seem to be working for me. There you go. That's dangerous. Now up there, I'm gonna use, this is a number 21. I'm just gonna put this in here. This is gonna break this loose. If I can get it on there properly. Okay. Let me get some light up in here. This is a 21. Let's get this 21 on here. Get on there. So I'm gonna just break it loose by pulling up on it. Oh, actually, I should be going down. I'm going the wrong way. Okay, there you go. I still felt loose going the other way. Okay, so that one is loose. I'm gonna go to the next one now. Hopefully I can clear that sensor, and I did. Go down on it. Now I'm gonna get my trusty impact. Take this off. Pull this off. This is what holds the rotor together. Take that off. Now I'm gonna come around here and take the screw off. All right, so now I'm gonna take this off. This one, I'm not sure what number this is. It's a T30. T30, take this off. Once I get this off, I don't need this rotor anymore, so I'm gonna hit the crap out of it with my sledgehammer and loosen it up. But I don't want this to go anywhere, so I'm about to hit this. Hit it. I got it off. I'm gonna clean it up with a wire brush and then put some lubricant on it. Okay. Okay, put a little lubricant around here on this so I don't have to go through a whole problem for the next guy. Rotors I'm putting on, and this is directional. So it says front driver's side goes on this way. And now I just gotta line it back up. Wait a minute, where's my... Oh, okay, there you go. After that's done, I'm gonna clean this up a little before I put it back on, and I'll get back to you. It gets a little tricky to get it back on, but I'm just gonna get it on and line it back up. I hope my cameraman is not zooming too close on me. He said no. Okay, let's see. Let's line this up. Okay, that one is lined up. Let's get this next one set up. I have to move the caliper a little bit. And that sucker came down. The caliper came out of the... All right, you get the idea. I'm gonna pause it in. Now I'm just gonna line everything back up. Make sure my brakes is good. Get my other brake. Let's back up and get this back on here. Let's see, this screw needs to be changed. Torque these down. Everything. I'm gonna come around to this side and put this piece back in now. So this goes in. This piece sits on here. Like I took it out. Usually you could just go ahead and press it and get it on there, but sometimes that don't happen because it takes a lot of strength. Let's see what if I can get it on there. Okay, that didn't work too. That wasn't too bad. So it's all set. So now I'm just put the wheel back on and pump it up, and that's it.